The United States Pentagon has announced its intention to fund the development of a fleet of artificial intelligence-piloted, AI-piloted, aircraft. The contract has gone out to tender with the plan to contract 2 private contractors to develop the craft. Called the Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA) project. It will form part of a larger $6 billion program to see at least 1,000 new drones join the United States Air Force (USAF) ranks. The AI-piloted drones will fly alongside human pilots and help provide cover, escort, fire support, and scouting roles. To be considered, the proposed aircraft must be able to fly at least 30 feet, 9.1 meters, above the ground autonomously and at ground speeds of 600 miles per hour, 966 kilometers per hour. The AI-piloted drone fleet will need to be able to perform risky maneuvers and escort and protect crewed planes, carry weapons to attack targets on the ground and in the air, and act as scouts. The Pentagon plans to select 2 companies by this summer to produce the planes to complete hundreds within 5 years. Each plane is expected to cost between $10 and $20 million. To put that into perspective, a new F-35 costs around $100 million apiece, while a B-21 can cost upwards of $750 million per unit. Thousands of AI-piloted fighters. The AI-piloted drones offer a lot of things that traditional crewed fighter planes just aren't designed to do. The AI-piloted planes will be designed to be expendable, flying 1 or 2 missions before being retired or destroyed, making them cheaper than manned aircraft. This, then, presumably, also forms part of the Pentagon's larger vision for its replicator program of expendable, so-called attritable, drones to help the U.S. combat China's growing drone strength. Boeing, Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, General Atomics, and Anduril Industries confirmed their intentions to develop the drones. General Atomics is another potential bidder, and new entrants like Anduril are also likely to submit bids for the program. Boeing's MQ-28 is in the running. Only Boeing has released its vision for the program with its futuristic MQ-28 Ghost Bat proposal. The Boeing MQ-28 is a new uncrewed aircraft using artificial intelligence to be that force multiplier. It's designed to work as a smart team with existing military aircraft to complement and extend airborne missions. The MQ-28 has enough capability to get the job done, from ISR to tactical early warning and more, but with a low-cost design that allows operators to confidently put it on the front line, they add. In August 2023, Deputy Secretary of Defense Kathleen Hicks stated that AI-enabled autonomous vehicles deployed by the U.S. military would provide affordable and expendable units, significantly improving the sluggish pace of military innovation. The Daily Mail reports that the USAF has announced that it will need 100 new AI-piloted jets yearly. Companies have been advised to keep their designs simple and focus on the minimum mission requirements rather than planning for every possible scenario. Pilots have previously opposed this, fearing that unmanned aircraft could make them redundant.